Domanda 1. Complete, the man lives next door is a doctor. Person, subject, A. Which? B. Who? C. Where? D. Whose? The correct answer is B. Who refers to people as the subject of the relative clause. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 2. Complete, the book I read last week was amazing. Thing, object, A. Who? B. Which? C. Whose? D. Where? The correct answer is B. Which refers to things. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 3. Complete, this is the house I was born. Place, A. Which? B. Who? C. Where? D. Whose? The correct answer is C. Where refers to a place. La risposta corretta è la C. Domanda 4. Complete, she's the woman car was stolen. Possession, A. Who? B. Which? C. Whose? D. Where? The correct answer is C. Who shows possession, for people or things. La risposta corretta è la C. Domanda 5. Complete, do you remember the day we met? Time, A. Where? B. When? C. Which? D. Who? The correct answer is B. When refers to a time. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 6. Choose the correct sentence. A. The girl which won the competition is my cousin. B. The girl who won the competition is my cousin. C. The girl who's won the competition is my cousin. D. The girl where won the competition is my cousin. The correct answer is B. Who refers to the person, the girl. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 7. Choose the correct sentence. A. I have a friend whose brother is a footballer. B. I have a friend whose brother is a footballer. C. I have a friend which brother is a footballer. D. I have a friend who brother is a footballer. The correct answer is B. Who shows possession, her brother. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 8. Complete, this is the restaurant we had dinner. Place, can also use in which, A. Who? B. Where? C. Whose? D. Which, without preposition, less natural here. The correct answer is B. Where is the natural choice to refer to a place. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 9. Choose the correct sentence. A. The film which we watched was boring. B. The film who we watched was boring. C. The film whose we watched was boring. D. The film where we watched was boring. The correct answer is A. Which refers to things, like the film. La risposta corretta è la A. Domanda 10. Complete, do you know the reason she left early? Reason, informal use of why, A. Where? B. Why? C. Which? D. Who? The correct answer is B. Why is used to refer to a reason. La risposta corretta è la B.